Okay, so we're looking at my Generac XG8000E generator. I converted it a while ago to a tri-fuel. I noticed though when I was running it on normal gasoline that I'd end up with a miss, and the motor snorkel is this little black part right here that brings in your natural gas or propane, and it's like a rubber gasket that forms around the carburetor flange. And after matching up the factory gasket in that motor snorkel, the factory gasket actually had these two areas here cut out on each side of the carburetor there, and I believe that's why I was getting that miss. So I resized the motor snorkel to the same as the original factory carburetor gasket, and I'll try to demonstrate how it was missing here. It's going to get loud. So there you go. That's I think that's the solution to that problem there. So